If you've driven on a freeway in Southern California, or through the countryside in Western Europe, you've definitely seen this plant. The yellow flowers completely dot the landscape all throughout the spring. This is black mustard, Rhamphospermum nigrum. Black mustard is native to Europe, but it is completely invasive here in Southern California. The entire plant is edible. Flowers, seeds, stems, leaves, roots. You cannot overharvest black mustard. Just rip up the entire plant. It doesn't need to be here. And wherever you are, I promise you, people want you to pick this plant because it's just gonna die in a couple months and stay here and then become kindling for fires. So the flower heads do look like a crown of broccoli because that's what broccoli is, a mustard of a bunch of unopened flower heads. Right next to all this black mustard, we have another mustard species that actually does look very, very similar. This is called shortpod mustard, Hirschfeldia incana. Also completely edible. The leaves are just gonna be a lot fuzzier on this plant, so you'll wanna cook it before you eat it. These big tall ones are the black mustard, and then down here is the short pod mustard. We're gonna do a quick taste test. This is black mustard, really spicy, sharp mustard flavor. The short pod mustard, a lot more mild. This just tastes like broccoli. Wild mustard is super delicious and really easy to use in a variety of recipes. These shade-grown plants here will have a more mild and pleasant flavor than the ones growing in direct sunlight. What I like to do is I like to gather a lot of the leaves and bring them home and bake them into black mustard chips. These are quite the addictive little snack. They're mustardy, they're salty, they're delicious. I'm Nick, I talk about edible plants. Thanks for hanging out. I expected to find a lot. I definitely did not expect to find this much. It's just everywhere.